Hi traders, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at City Index. Be sure to like, subscribe and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. City Index is an award-winning Forex broker that is authorized and regulated in the UK and is a subsidiary of StoneX Financial Ltd and Gain Capital Holdings Incorporated. They are listed on NASDAQ, and they currently have more than 35 years of industry experience with nearly 300,000 clients from around the world. City Index offers competitive spreads on all of their account types, and there are more than 12,000 indices, shares, Forex pairs, metals, bonds, options and commodities that you can trade on the MetaTrader 4 platform or City Index's proprietary trading platform. In addition to providing updated, in-depth market news with plenty of articles on trending market topics and a variety of educational resources, you will also be able to use a wide range of trading tools, and they offer professional and premium accounts for traders who are ready to take their portfolios to the next level. City Index offers a simplistic, user-friendly website, and you can easily find out more about the company, the products they offer, as well as the platforms and tools you can use by choosing an option from the menu bar. Some other information displayed on the homepage includes spreads, personalized trading, and instruments offered, as well as their awards and more. If you are looking for more detailed information about the instruments you can trade with City Index, simply click on one of the tabs on the menu bar, or click on Other Markets. When you click on the instruments displayed on the menu bar, a drop-down menu will appear that will list all the assets you can trade, as well as how-to guides can also be accessed from these menus. City Index currently offers more than 80 currency pairs, with spreads starting as low as 0.5 pips. The City Index customer support team is available 24 hours a day, and you can reach them via email, telephone, or on live chat. The broker does not currently offer a welcome bonus, however, City Index does offer highly profitable partnership opportunities. As a City Index client, you will be able to connect your account to the MetaTrader 4 platform and the City Index trading application. MetaTrader 4 is currently one of the most popular trading platforms in the world. It was released in 2005 and is well known for having advanced analysis tools, thousands of technical indicators, customizable charts, expert advisor and algorithmic trading support, and much more. With MetaTrader 4, you get access to 3 types of order execution, 30 built-in indicators, one-click and algorithmic trading, suggested trading strategies, expert advisors, and much more. You also have the option of using the City Index trading application, which is designed to be beginner-friendly with all the tools and advanced features that more experienced traders need to take their trading to the next level. The City Index application comes with intuitive configurable charting tools, real-time price alerts, over 80 technical indicators, adjustable timeframes, and personalized watch lists. You can also contact the customer support team directly with the built-in live chat feature. And this application can also be used on desktops, and you can use it as a demo account first if you would like to test the tools and features offered. City Index offers only one type of live trading account. However, there are 2 types of demo accounts you can open and 2 types of VIP accounts. If you would like to practice trading or test different strategies and features, you have the option of opening a demo account on either MetaTrader 4 or the City Index trading application. Demo accounts with City Index last for around 12 weeks, and they come with £10,000 worth of virtual currency that can be used to trade thousands of instruments free of risk. When you are ready to open a live account, you can create a standard account and make your first deposit. The standard account is suitable for all types of traders, including beginners, and it can be used on either MetaTrader 4 or the City Index application. The minimum deposit required to activate this account is £100, but your account can also be funded using a variety of currencies, including the US dollar and euros. This account can be used to trade over 12,000 instruments, and you will have access to premium trading tools and all the market news and educational material provided. If you are an experienced trader and you are looking for a more personalized experience with more advanced trading tools and more flexible trading conditions, then we recommend applying for either a professional account or a premium account. The City Index Premium account is an invitation-only VIP account that comes with a dedicated relationship manager and exclusive Reuters news updates. This account offers maximum risk protection, and you will get invitations to exclusive content, seminars, webinars, and events. The Professional Trader account is also a VIP account, and it is designed for high-volume traders with portfolios exceeding 500,000 euros. Professional clients get broker-assisted dealing and a dedicated client relationship manager. These types of accounts generally have higher leverage limits and tighter spreads, but you should only apply for a professional account if you are an experienced trader, because this account type does not have negative balance protection. City Index offers both fixed and variable spreads, and they do not charge any additional commissions on spread bet markets. No commissions are charged on CFDs or FX markets, but a small fee is charged when trading CFD equities. Creating an account with City Index may take up to 24 hours. However, it's a simple, straightforward process, and you can open an account with a few simple steps. Firstly, launch the City Index homepage, and then click on the Create Account button. Complete the online application form, then verify your account and email address, and once your account has been verified, you can log in to the client portal. Once your account is approved and set up, you can simply fund your account and start trading. Once you have set up your account, you will be redirected to the City Index client portal and their trading application, or you can download the MetaTrader 4 platform if you prefer. We decided to go with the City Index trading application. And as easy as that, we're in. This is the City Index proprietary trading application. In the center of the dashboard, you have your list of popular markets. You can easily switch between your preferred markets on the top left side of the dashboard. And once you have selected your preferred market, you can simply click on the instrument or currency pair, and it'll open a graph on the right side of the dashboard. This will provide your buy and sell order and your graph window. If you are new to trading and are new to the City Index trading platform, once you have created an account with City Index, you can log into their educational section and view a variety of trading tutorial videos to help you get started. With regards to educational resources, if you are new to trading, then we would recommend opening an account with City Index, because you can open multiple demo accounts, and you will be able to use your demo account for 7 weeks, which is twice as long as most other brokers allow. Once you've opened a demo account, you can visit the training section on the website to access a variety of detailed introductory courses, guides on trading strategies, and high-quality courses that are designed for beginners and professionals, respectively. City Index also provides diverse research tools, which can be found on the trading platform or on their website under Market News. City Index also provides trading ideas based on technical tools, which can be found on the platform. City Index has received many prestigious awards over the years, and some of their most recent awards include the Best Professional Trading Platform by Online Personal Wealth Awards of 2021, the Best Platform for the Active Trader by the ADVFN International Financial Awards of 2021, the Best CFD Provider by Online Personal Wealth Awards in 2021, the Overall Personal Wealth Provider by Online Personal Wealth Awards 2021, and many, many more. Overall, there are many advantages to trading with City Index. But what we like most about them is that they are regulated by multiple top-tier agencies across several jurisdictions, and they offer thousands of tradable instruments with accounts that are suitable for absolute beginners and high net worth professionals. City Index has been awarded for having one of the best platforms for active traders, and their premium and professional accounts will definitely give you a competitive advantage in the markets. Whether you're opening your first trading account or you've been trading for many years, City Index can be trusted with helping you create the portfolio you've always wanted. And that is our overview of City Index. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next. And let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.